is your daddy and what does he do? Put that cookie down! Now! What's going on? What's going on? Sarah Connor. I need to speak to my wife.
I was wrong. I'm sorry. It was all a mistake.
Now take that back. I need to speak to my wife. Do it now. Do it now. You are disgusting. Do it now. Do it now. Who is your daddy and what does he do?
I'm stuck on you.
Undercover, better sit low. The product's based but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. That of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get up out the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Send it. Oh, I'm sorry. What is going on? It's Friday. It's Friday. Put the cookie down. Now. What is going on? My favorite people. Holy smokes. You guys show up early. You guys show up early. It's only 3:57. How much do you want from me, man? What do you want? It's early. We can just sit here and listen to music all day if you want. We can listen to the theme song again. You want to listen to the theme song again? How we all doing, my friends? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Happy Friday. I mean, let's go for the copyright infringement. Why not? Like, it's Friday. We don't really discriminate what day it is. Well, we're always down for a good old Friday. Come on, this is getting old, right? No, it's never gonna get old. Don't tell me it's getting old. Don't tell me it's getting old. All right? Yeah. It's Friday. What's going on, my legends? How we all doing? And now I'm going to get 30 emails from Google saying, hello, this is copyright infringement, and you shouldn't do this because you guys are having way too much fun on your stream. It's like, come on. You're still going to put this copyright stuff on us? Have you heard of Napster? Have you heard of LimeWire? Like, my generation, we were born to do this. We were born to do this. And if you don't like it, well, Well, then you can speak to Arnold because
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
I'm a construction worker.
you watch out. Arnold's coming for you.
Do it now.
You are
So
disgusting.
we got Arnold. We got charts. I found a pretty good video for you guys here that I wanted you guys to watch with me. Now, I don't typically play someone else's content, so I might even get copyrighted for that. But this guy's got a really good point because the S&P 500 has made new highs, guys. Okay? We have made new highs. Okay? And I know you guys are all on LimeWire and you guys are downloading illegal movies that you probably shouldn't be watching because you're way too underage by the way you're behaving in this chat. And the amount of likes to concurrent viewers is not acceptable right now. So, and Mark Dutch prefers the Borat voice. But we're going to watch this video, okay? Can we all hear? No, we can't hear. We can't hear, Alex. Can't hear.
The S&P 500 being near its all-time high.
All right, there we go.
This chart I have mapped out.
So S&P
shows-
500 making new highs, okay? Remember we just talked about that? S&P 500 making new highs. Okay, we've made new highs today, guys. Look at this. S&P 500 flying off the handle, okay? Flying off the handle. Now watch what this guy has to say about this. It's pretty interesting. I was watching this last night.
The interesting phenomenon that the S&P is always leading Bitcoin on the all-time high breaks. And this is a good sign because Bitcoin is still, 40% below its all-time high, and the S&P is right near its all-time high. So if we look back in time, the second halving, the S&P 500 broke its all-time high during the second halving. And about 7 months later, Bitcoin broke its all-time high right there.
Ooh.
It was about a 7-month
Look at that.
difference. And the third
7
halving,
months?
the most recent halving, the S&P broke its all-time high. About 4 months later,
4 months?
Bitcoin broke its all-time
Guys, 4
high.
months? This
7
could be a
months,
trend.
4 months. Depends on how you want to look at it. But
Okay.
Bitcoin is likely, I would say, less than half a year away, probably about 4 months away
Look at
from
this.
its all-time high. So if the
Guys?
S&P breaks its all-time
Oh my
high,
God, Dave Digital's in the
well,
chat.
we can
Behave
be
yourself,
pretty
guys.
sure that Bitcoin is just months away from doing the same thing, and then we
Ooh.
would be off into this bull market. That is at least what history shows us. There's
Ooh.
just a few months in between these all-time high breaks,
Ooh.
and so the S&P being near that all-time high gives me confidence. It gives me conviction that every dip that we see, even
Every
if
dip
this
that we
does
see-
play out, not saying it has to, if it does play out, it's just a buy the dip zone. So
It's
the point
bad.
is, any
It's a good
downside
bad.
is limited. It's limited downside, and if
Limited
you'd be lucky to
downside,
get
my
these
friends.
prices, in my opinion, before the
Bouncing,
halving.
baby.
So overall, it's definitely an area to just be building your bags, not looking to get out of the market, not looking to sell here to buy back.
All
a
right,
little
thanks,
lower,
bro.
Like everyone tries to do.
So I thought that was pretty interesting because we are making new all-time highs. So let's say 4 months from now. Okay, so 4 months from now would be January, February, March, April. Whoa, does that line up with the halving a little bit? All-time highs for the S&P 500. This is pretty exciting, guys. So we've gotten a beautiful, 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 beautiful move. Okay, where's all my info here? Don't you be hiding from me. Ooh, let's get the volume off of there. The volume. We'll talk about the volume another day. Okay. So we got this halving coming up. Ooh, end of April. Could this be lining all up, guys? Shubham wants to work with me as a thumbnail designer and video editor. Oh, that sounds cool, man. Join us in the free Discord and shoot me a DM. Discord link is in the description below if you wanna help me out with my horrible thumbnails. I would love some help, my friend. I would love some help, man. Because me and Canva have a very, very poor relationship, okay? A very poor relationship. I'm like,
Put that cookie down now!
stop whining. Stop whining, Mr. Kimball. John Kimball.
John Kimball.
Let's go. So we get the all-time high. Jonathan Schaefer in the chat. What's going on, my man? Much love to you. So, I mean, yeah, we got a big, scary 15% correction, but we got a little bit of a bounce today. Okay, we've got a little bit of a bounce today, and as you can see, going over to the Bitcoin price, guys, nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. Just a whole bunch of nothing burgers. Okay, nothing burgers. No, all seriousness, guys. Let's not try to over panic. I know we get worried and we're like, oh, this is going to zero. Like this is, come on. We're 18% down. Okay, so let's say we go another 18%. Oh my God. Guys, $33,000 Bitcoin and then bounce? Who cares? Pick up some more. If not, get a job. That's my financial advice. So like even if like whatever, right? So, and someone asked about selling their bag, and I said to probably look to allocate some. So you want to have exposure. So this is for dollar cost averaging. Okay, what happened to Sol, bro? Ooh, got a little bit of sell off. We did give the trade setup this morning. We'll go over Sol, my friend. We'll go over Sol. We gave the SEI trade as well. This has been banging. We're in profits on this one. So we have given some good setups. But if you are looking to allocate, first you need exposure. So let's say you get exposure. E for exposure, right? Then you go 10 at this support, 20, okay, at this support, 30 at this support, and then 50 for the remainder, okay? And that's your allocation for your DCA. And you want to average in here and then have your big bag ready. So if you do dip, you can grab with your big bag and put a bigger chunk in to over average on this DCA. So your average buy-in ends up being somewhere around here. But if we do go wee, you can start to allocate on your way up. Okay? But you want to make sure you have some exposure. That's just kind of my idea. What's your Discord name? My Discord name is right there. Typing it for you there, my friend. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you for coming by the live stream. Much love to every single one of you. We're a bit crazy on Fridays. We don't really care about algorithms and any of that. We didn't even shout out the chat. So let's go into the chat. Enough about me. More about you. What's going on, Mark Dutch? Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day with your Northern Naked exposure. Okay, B Team Crypto in the chat. What's going on, my man? Good to see you. Darren does things 2020, 2040 is the way, he says. So we all have our ways, but Darren's way is 2020, 2040. I wouldn't say it's the way, but I'd say it's definitely a way. However, we always have an opportunity, but always make sure you do have a little bit of exposure, okay? Just be in it to win it. What's going on? All set. Good to see you, my man. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Okay, what's going on? R3A, big breakthrough, okay? L. Jones says, I just need a job. What's going on, L. Jones? Hope you're doing well. Dave Digital, Kopi Bear, Darren does things. Alexandra G, we finally get to use your emoji in the chat. What's going on? What's going on? We got French Toaster. Hola to you, my friend. Pac-Man. What's going on, Pac-Man? Hope you're doing well. Dave P in the chat. Jeanette in the chat. 12 Big Dal in the chat. My God, so many legends here. So many legends. And if I forgot you, well, just type a message. We'll shout you out, man. Much love to every single one of you guys. So we're going to go over the Bitcoin price, what we're expecting, and little ideas of what we're looking for, okay? What we're looking for. Because we got to be prepared, right? You got to have a plan, and you got to execute the plan. You got to trade the plan and all that planning. And planning is very, very difficult, okay? Ask Mrs. Otter. She thinks I don't know how to plan my way out of a wet paper bag. Isn't that punch your way out of a wet paper bag anyways? Who cares? So we're going to go over all that good stuff. What's going on, friend boy? Oi, oi. Man, I'm going to have to clean my microphone every weekend after all this beatboxing for you guys. My God. I Googled how to get exposure, and it just shows an image. I do not care to see that image. And if I do see that image, be Team Crypto, that is going to be your emoji. So don't push it. 100K says, bro, you're the legend with an E accent aigu, with the E accent aigu. The E accent aigu. Oh, Madonna. Thank you very much. Much love to you. Otters in the chat. Otters in the chat. Thank you guys for coming through Army Piper today, supporting the channel. What's next? We're gonna do some update videos and over the weekend for you guys, and then Trading Wars Monday. Let's go and see if we can kick everybody's butt again. In all niceness, we're just gonna go there and have a good time. But you know, we did win last week, so I mean, the 1.5 hour Trading War champion, take a bow. Okay, that's it. That's as humble as I can get. Okay. But Bitcoin, we got a little bit of a scare. Everybody thought we were going to roll over here and go to lower prices, and we bounced. Okay, we bounced. So let's not panic yet. We are in a range here. Let's forget about this top side stuff because that was very much ETF craziness. Okay, ETF craziness. So if I could just get like a magic eraser that doesn't work. Those magic erasers don't work, do they? But we can see that we are ranging here. So we're looking for a little bit of a pushback, but it is the weekend, my friends. I'm sorry to say, but it is the weekend. So I'm not expecting too much volatility until Sunday, okay? Sunday, we can be expecting a weekly close, which we will prepare for right now, okay? So the weekly close, we got a red dot on the weekly. We are looking very, very ugly on the weekly, I must say. So we get rid of these beautiful rectangles because we don't need the rectangles. And we'll keep the fixed range if we want. Okay, so very, very bearish looking weekly candle. Indecisive doji candle coming right up. Even if we pump a little bit, still looking very indecisive. This will turn orange or green if it does get above 41.7-ish. Okay, so look for it to move, okay? We're definitely being very, very cautious here. Okay, very cautious here. We are at the lower part of the range. We're looking for a bounce. However, lots of bearish sentiment, lots of bearish ideas on the long-term horizon. Okay, so we need to be prepared for that the best we can. Okay, the best we can. And if we're doing that, we can prepare for this weekend. So a little bit of a chop sideways. Money flow remains green though, guys. So that's the hello, we're still kind of pushing here, and we haven't really seen that correction, okay? We haven't seen that correction where we want to see healthy price action where we're making higher lows and higher highs, right? We want to see that working our way up. So that's what I think for the weekly. So let's prepare. We'll prepare for that weekly close. We'll have some more stuff in the Discord. And if you aren't part of the Discord, join us in the Discord. A bunch of crazy utterly fantastic people who like to share numbers that we can't read, but we definitely know that they got the best interests in heart for all you legends out there, and a lot of good traders. I mean, a lot of good traders. We have TA across the board from all these absolute legends in here who share their wins and also share their losses, okay, which is very important because losing is part of trading. Look at David B here, David Brumbelow, just killing it 15 times in a row. He's just winning. I don't know. Maybe we need a David Brumbelow trade signals group as well. But massive, massive shout out to all you guys in the Discord. Keeping this thing running, man. Much love to all of you. We were sniping today. We got a couple good scalps. This is me wearing a cowboy hat because sometimes we get a little bit wild because it's Friday. And you know what? Arnold says it's okay. Okay? Arnold says it's okay.
I was wrong. I'm sorry. It was all a
I
mistake.
need to speak to my wife.
Schaefer, are we allowed to 100x leverage SEI today?
I need to speak to my wife. Sarah Connor.
So we prepare. So let's flip through the time zones. We're going to go time traveling. Let's flip through the time frame so that we can better understand what we're looking at here. So we see that we are getting a bear div on the 4-day, the 3-day, similar things. But you look at the S&P on the SPY. Now, Evan Aldo pointed this out to me. Oops, wrong chart. Evan Aldo pointed this out to me that the 3-day on the SPY looks quite bullish, okay? Look at this. So we go over to the SPY. We look at the beautiful, we get in a green dot here on the SPY and a crossover on the VWAP. This is looking very bullish, okay? Crossover on the VWAP, posturing to the upside, money coming into the SPY green dot. Okay, so this is, as long as the SPY, S&P 500, as long as the regular markets, they continue to move up, why wouldn't Bitcoin? Right? Like, we can be as contrarian as we want, but we know there's a lot more liquidity and volume being traded in this stuff. I almost said the bad word. Okay, so interesting. Okay, remember what I just showed you, the 4-month trend. You know, S&P makes a new high, Bitcoin makes a new high 4 months later. Could that be the thing? Let's prepare, right? Let's prepare, right? So we are looking for longs nonetheless, okay? And we were talking about this morning, how people's sentiment is different. When we push into it, we're like, oh my God, we're going to 100K. And then when we push out of it, we're like, oh my God, we're going to 0. That looks almost rude. So we need to be prepared mentally for this crazy price action, right? We know that we have massive adoption coming in, and we are preparing the best we can, but we need to be definitely... Alex, you can tell my boss story if you want. No, we will not tell you. That is your story and not for mine to share, okay? It's not for mine to share, Schaefer. We're going to get Jonathan Schaefer on this show one day, and we will say, get to the chopper.
I was wrong. I'm sorry. It was all a mistake.
Stop being such a pussy.
Let's go. Oh, man. Arnold, you need to be kind to the Otter Gang, okay? We're not all strong like you. Now, I asked you guys in the poll, who do you want to narrate your life? And a lot of you guys picked Morgan Freeman, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Zorro. Come on, Zorro, Antonio Banderas, Madonna, Arriba, or Optimus Prime. I can't do an Optimus Prime. Okay, so Morgan Freeman life narration, eh? I'm personally in the Optimus Prime category. Autobots, like that kind of like, it's very epic / it's Optimus, baby. And I do have an Optimus Prime toy somewhere. I don't know where it is, but so we'll continue, okay? We'll continue. Okay, so going to the daily, we were eyeballing a daily trigger wave, right? We were eyeballing a daily trigger wave. It's like, no. Just hold your horses here. So, what do we expect here? We got 2.5 hours till the daily print, right? As per usual. We've gotten a push back here. Green candle. Can we get some posturing to the upside? I do not see a green dot printing yet, so maybe we get another move to the upside here and VWAP trying to come back to the upside, okay? So for me, if the VWAP can, over the weekend, if the VWAP can start to curve up here, okay, with this coming up here, with the money flow kind of flattening out, and the stochastics flattening out, then we look for this indication to give us a short-term / medium-term horizon, like 2-3 days, okay, where we can look for a continuation upwards. Because typically, if we just pull the volume here and we come across this price action, we are at the value area low and we are going to go back to the point of control, which would be, there's a point of control here, but I would say right here. Okay, you can see the volume node here. So 42,750. Okay, that's where we're looking to go back to, right? If we hold here, we are looking to come at least back up to here before continuing downwards, okay? And for me, I still think there is a lot of shorts to be grabbed, at least somewhere up here, right? People have moved their stop loss and such. So I do think that, even if we work back up here, we can still continue downwards in some sort of like ABC, right? And this B would be over here, right? If we move that there. and then see if we can move down. So we got to be prepared for anything, right? And right now we're going into the weekend, so we just listened to Arnold and we ask him to stop.
Stop being such a fucking asshole.
Oh, that one's bad. Sorry about the language, children. Okay, sorry about the. Oh, what's going on, Jeet Corp? What's going on, my man? So you guys all want narration by Borat, it seems. Hello, my name is the Borat. Here's your life. I like. Also, I saw a friend, FD White. I saw him on Billy Goat Tales. Go and check out FD White, man. FD White, shout out to you for coming by. He's got a YouTube channel. He's got 257 subscribers. Go check out some of his content. See if you like him and give him a sub. You know, we're all here to help each other. So, FD White, thank you for dropping by. We did shout you out. We're trying to help. Much love to you, FD White. Hope you're having a great week making that bank, okay? I think I saw you on Billy Goat Tales, so just wanted to give you a little bit of a shout out there, my friend, okay? Because we wild here. We wild here. Do not talk to me like that. I like. What's wrong, Arnold?
Schwarzenegger.
Let's go. Jinkui. Very nice to meet you. I like. Okay. Oh, man. Calm down, pussycat. So, you guys get me in the chat. I get all distracted, man. I get all distracted. Looks like Bitcoin's coming down now. Guys, why you flooding the market, man? I'm just here. So we're looking for the daily to pop off to the... Stop. Stop it. The big colleague, boy. He's my neighbor. Oh, man. Mark is a genuine chocolate face. Oh. Oh, man, we got 36 viewers in here. Let's go, man. Much love to every single one of you. We're having a good time. We got the Arnold soundboard going on.
Schwarzenegger.
And we having a good time, man. It's Friday. God bless every single one of you guys.
What's going on?
What's going on with you
What's
guys?
going
Let me
on?
know in the chat. How is your week? How is everything going? Are you having a good time, man? We're here to have a good time, man. Everybody's dying laughing. Okay, stop whining. I like. Give them money. Oh, man. Okay. Mark is a genuine chocolate face. Let's go. What did Arnold say? Arnold said, ha. I agree with you, Dave. I agree with you.
I agree with you.
All right. So we're on the 12-hour here, and we're having a good laugh. We're looking to push back. However, it does seem like it's a bit suppressed right now. We could look for a little bit of a rejection coming up and a continuation of this rollover. So let's be very cautious here going into the weekend. We can see the 12-hour, though, does look a little bit bullish, in my opinion. So we did get the crossover on the money flow, which kind of negates that. But on the other hand, we do have everything else kind of posturing to the upside. Okay, so the 12-hour is suggesting the stochastic wants to go up, the VWAP wants to cross over, and we're overextended here on the momentum wave, where we would like to see a transition to the upside. Okay, so we're trying to front run these green dots, trying to find some sort of relief, and we've gotten a little bit of it today. Okay, we did get a very big scare, which is good to see, in my opinion, to remind us that Bitcoin is not invincible, that it doesn't just go parabolic to the upside constantly, that there is corrections, okay? And we have been corrected, and let's see if we hold this support, okay?
You think I'm funny, huh? You think I'm funny?
My name is Borat. I think I'm funny. I like. bearish retest of bear flag and downtrending resistance. Yes, you got this downtrending. Okay, yeah. I like what you got to. I like that, Tony. I like that for sure. Yeah, we're looking for the bounce. We're coming up to the support line. Okay, there is another support line. You can see it right here. Okay, so we are coming up to that 41.8-ish area. We're definitely looking for it to make its move up and over, right? So up and over, where we're looking to hold new support and work on its way up. Any chance you can go over no market cipher B? I have market cipher B tutorials if you want to go into them. They're on the channel. So if you do need help with market cipher B, I think those would be very good indications of how we use it. Not market cipher B is pretty much identical to market cipher B. The only difference I find is in the money flow. Okay, the money flow is a little bit different. So the non-paid version is the non-paid version's very, very close. Okay, and like we said, I think we told you yesterday, over on the resources page, over here you can find the not market cipher B that Jonathan Schaefer has over here, and you can just grab it there. Here you are. You might have to repost that, Schaefer, so it's closer, so I don't have to scroll 1,000 miles every time. He also said, smash the like and subscribe to Alex O Crypto, and don't forget to click that bell to get notificated when we go long. For less than 1,000K subs, you are good, man. Thanks, Joss. I mean, sub 1K subs is the place to be, where we don't care about monetization and we can do Arnold soundboards.
Get down. Get down or I'll put you down.
I agree with you.
Because no, we're trying to grow as a channel. Like we get around. We're on Crypto Wars. We've been on Sin City Crypto, Investment Bros, Piper Academy. But I guess people don't like, free stuff, right? I guess people don't like free stuff because everything here is free. And we all have it's pinned in the channel, see? Oh, there it is, right here, pinned in the channel. But we're definitely here to help. And absolute chaos. So, good fun. So, oh no, Retro Mike is in the chat. What's going on, Mike? Hey man, did you have a good week, Mike? Much love to you, brother. Much love to you. Okay, so going through all this, we can see that we're looking for this bullish divergence, okay? Bullish divergence continuing upwards. We're not getting it here because we didn't get the lower momentum wave, okay? We'd like to see the continuation of the lower momentum wave. So right now, we're just looking to break back into this area and hold it as support, okay, before possibly continuing downwards. You can see that we definitely are in some sort of downwards trend line here, where you could draw a downwards channel if you wanted to. So you could definitely go from like somewhere up here and look for this to hold, right? And look for that breakout. That would be an idea for Bitcoin and kind of like a long-term trend. But right now, we kind of just want to make sure that we're trading the lows and the highs of the range. So right now was an idea for a long, okay? And I did give these signals in advance in the Discord where we were looking for longs and looking for price to bounce from here. My level was, I think it was just above where we did bounce from. So we bounced from 40,275. My level was around 40,500. However, if you got in at 40,500 with a general stop loss, you could have made some nice bank here. Okay, so we were shouting this level from the rooftops, and we always share our trade setups and our ideas in the Discord. Okay, so we had this one here. This morning, we shared a Solana trade. We'll go over that as well. And then we'll continue to work our way through market cipher right now. So you can see on the 4-day, we have posturing crossing over to the upside crossover with the stochastics. Money flows coming back in, and you can see the bullish momentum wave. For me, this is a good sign. Okay, this is a good sign that we are range bound. Okay, we're range bound. What do I mean by that? That means that we are looking for this to range within this area, right? And when we get outside of these areas, we're looking to trade it where we're looking for longs and shorts, vice versa. However, I want to see us come up to this area here, which is around 44,200. Okay, 44,200 is kind of my target where I hope to see Bitcoin work its way up to, at least to grab some of this liquidity up in this area. Okay, so we're definitely looking for that. Okay, definitely looking for that.
I agree with you.
Thanks, Arnold. I agree with you too.
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
I don't know, Arnold. You got to tell me, man.
Do it now.
Okay, going back. So in the short-term time frames right now, what I'm simply seeing is that we have gotten a little bit of a bounce here, very little. Okay, we've come up to previous previous support, so this has been flipped, right? So we look at this here, we can see, whoop, we draw that support. That was acting as support. Now you can see it's acting as resistance, right? So we're coming back down now, and now this move was aggressive back up. Okay, so whenever there's an aggressive move back up, such as this, where we get a very aggressive V-shaped recovery, right? I'm looking for price to come literally back down and grab some of these fair value gaps, okay? And you can simply find a fair value gap, but I can just indicator, but I can just show you where the fair value gaps are, right? Where these gaps look to be filled on shorter term time frames. So we target these areas and we pull fibs, right? So we've broken the structure here, clearly a break of structure, okay? So lower low, roll over, bounce, V-shaped recovery, break of structure here, right? Now we're looking for the fib pull, so we pull a fib from the swing low to the swing high. We get an area of confluence, okay? So this area of confluence is going to align with this area that we're looking at right now, where we are looking for a possible long opportunity if we come back down to this box, okay? And by drawing this box, we give ourselves a general area where we're looking for a bounce. Now, this could be a wick. This could be a bullish divergence. This could be exhaustion and then a continuation upwards, okay? There's so many different ways where we can look for this bounce. For example, this one today, we're getting everybody scared, trapping the shorts here, dumping a little bit, getting them all excited, right? All excited, thinking we're going to go lower, maybe trapping a little bit more here, and then liquidation, okay? So let's try to be on the right side of the trade, right? I was able to long from here up to here, right? Quick little scalp, continuation, beautiful, beautiful little trade, okay? Take your money and run. Take your money and run. That's all I got to say, is take your money and run, okay? Pay yourselves, have a plan, execute the plan, be contrarian to what the market maker is doing, right? And by doing that, you can extract profits and be a profitable trader, okay? And that's what we want to be, is profitable traders. This is hard. We're competing all against each other. I'm here to beat you and you're here to beat me, or we're here to work together, contrarian to the market makers who are destroying everybody else, right? Because
You are disgusting.
I'm not disgusting, man.
Game over.
Okay.
John Kimball.
Okay.
Schwarzenegger.
So make sure you pay yourselves, my friends. Make sure you pay yourselves. So where's this level? This level right here is between 41,000 and just a little bit lower, 40,700, where we're looking for a bounce, okay? We're looking for a bounce. Mike, thank you so much for the gifted membership, man. God bless you, brother. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you so much, man. So much. Thank you for supporting the channel. L. Jones was gifted a membership by Mike Tech. Welcome to the Otter Gang, L. Jones, man. You're going to be W. Jones because you're not going to take any more L's anymore, my friend. All right? Woo! Let's go. Okay, so make sure you guys throw some alts in the chat. I would love to see some alts from you guys that I can go over. I'm going to go over Caspa, SEI, and Solana. Okay, Caspa, SEI, and Solana. And we'll go from there. So I can't sing. I'll be Alex's background dancer. Let's go. Let's go. Man, this is too good. This is too good. Okay, so we gave this idea at 91.3. Okay, we were off a little bit this morning. Crypto Pollo, I believe, definitely took this trade. He said, thank you, Alex O. He was in the Discord. He's like, thank you, Alex. I was busy all day, but thanks to you, I got into that Solana trade. I was a little bit late. Look at right here. Okay. That was a sick call. Alex O Crypto, that was a sick call on Sol. I took it a little late. Fiat job got me really busy, but let's see where this bad boy goes. Okay, so we giving it away for free. Helping people. This is why we do it, right? This is why we do it. So Solana trade given in advance. Looking for this bounce from this green box. It rolled over hard, right? It rolled over hard, and we've worked our way back into this giant symmetrical triangle, right? Where we're hoping for that breakout, right? It kind of faked us out quite a bit over here. But now it's looking to bounce back, okay? So this is good. This is a good sign for Solana that's back within this upwards trend line here that has held so strong. And we want to see it work its way to the point, and we want to see it pop, okay? We want to see it pop. So this could turn into something astronomical. So this is a thing. You take out 50%, you let the rest ride, you could be looking at mega gains, okay? Mega gains. So something like this is always something to consider. Always try to give yourself an edge, right? Give yourself an edge. If I'm going to get into a long here, I'm risking X amount of dollars to make X amount of dollars. Hopefully it's at least 2 to 1, right? Where you're looking to make, let's say 200 and lose 100, right? Like at least a 2 to 1 ratio. But this can turn into a 5 to 1 ratio, right? And now you're in profit. You put your stop loss at entry and you let this puppy ride out. B Team Crypto with the super chat. Much love to you, man. B Team Crypto always supporting the channel. Thank you so much. He says MKR is bouncing on fibs and making divs. Alex, look, you want to give it a professional look for me? Pro Face, Otter Gang. Absolutely. MKR is coming up next, my man. Coming up next, my brother. So on Solana, we're looking at this bullish momentum wave too coming to the upside. This is also another signal of, yes, we've been suppressed on Solana. You can see it's kind of consolidating sideways here, and then now it's come down, checked this beautiful upwards trend line, bounce from here. We want to see it hold 91.5, okay? We want to see it hold 91.5 and crawl up this area and start to put in better market structure. The 4-hour suggests bullish, okay? Just going to check the daily. Yeah, we're getting those pig nipples. So you can see you get the constant bullish momentum waves at the bottom, right? We call it pig nipples because they look like pig nipples. That's a Jason Casper thing. However, once this crosses over, we can look for a massive push to the upside. Now, what will lead this will definitely be VWAP. So you want to see VWAP lead the race to the upside, okay? And when you get that crossover, it can look for a very, very dramatic move, okay? So we want to be prepared for that. Now, the thing that concerns me is that we really want to see Solana get above these highs, okay? So we want to see it break these highs from here, get above 95, 480, okay? 48, 95, 48, and then, continue its way upwards. But we really want to see these highs broken. It hasn't done so yet, so we want to see those highs broken just for a break of structure for continuation, okay? Definitely want to see Solana continue upwards here. And Solana's mega bullish. I know there's things such as like that Myro meme coin and stuff like that. I've been pumping bonk, obviously. But we're well aware of the beautiful crypto industry and all these meme coins like Myro off to the races, okay? Now let's go. And if you are looking for a Solana trade, you're waiting for that retest, right? So what you'll look for is a bounce. You'll pull your swing low to your swing high. Okay, and you look for that 382 bounce, okay? You would like to see it get above here, so this would be higher. Like to see it get above here. Let's say it gets up to here, right? Then you're looking for that 382 bounce where price comes, it continues up, and you get that bounce off of here, and then the continuation upwards. Okay, that's what you're kind of looking for, and for this to hold. Okay, that's what you're looking for if you haven't entered Solana as of yet. Now, where is that super chat? MKR. Let's go to MKR. Let's have a look at MKR. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Okay.
Stop being such a bitch.
Okay, let's go MKR in the house. B Team Crypto. Man, much love to you, B Team Crypto. This looks like a beautiful flag. Okay, on the daily, money flow is still pretty thick. VWAP's below, cooling down on the momentum waves. Double top here. Not too concerning. Not too concerning. Let's go to the 12-hour. The 12-hour, this double top really becomes invalidated. You can see now we've crossed over to the downwards line, but you can see we always like to see when we are pushing up higher, we like to see this retest of the previous highs, and we've gotten that retest. So that's very, very good to see. Okay, we can see the bullish momentum trying to creep back up here. The money flow's definitely thick in the green, and it does look like the stochastics has reset, and this is very violent for 12 hours. So we would like to see some lead indicators on this. So let's go to the 8. Do we got a green dot on the 8? Look at this beautiful bounce back up. Nope. Okay, but we got a double bottom looking here. Let's go to the 4. Okay, pig nipples here on the 4. So consolidation downwards. This is consolidation downwards. This is just a perfect flag, in my opinion, where when you get a move like this, you get a perfect flag like that. You want to see continuation to the upside, right? This allows oscillators to reset. This allows momentum waves to reset. So this is always a healthy sign when you see consolidation sideways and down after a big move up. It's always healthy to see. So you can see big flag here, and you can draw simple momentum here to the downside. So you've broken out of that, faked out from there. So for me, that momentum's invalidated. I would be looking, let's go on the 2-hour. Okay. See how it held as support? So you broke out, it held as support multiple times. Now you're breaking down here. So you draw the trend line from here to here. And you look for this to break out as well. Okay, nice bounce here. Looking for continuation on the momentum waves. You can see very suppressed underneath here. So for me, when you're underneath, trending underneath, you want to see these get above so you can continue to make higher lows and higher highs on your way up. Okay, so good area to hold. You could expect something like this even where you're seeing a bullish divergence and a continuation to the upside, right? So for this right now is getting a nice bounce, but I would be cautious going into the weekend. I would expect some more sideways chop, okay? With a lot of these things, a lot more sideways chop, which gives it some time to reset, break out possibly, and work its way upwards. But for now, nice V-shaped recovery just like Bitcoin, okay? Let's draw a support line here. Right around 1945. It's a good year. Okay, 1945. And let's see if this holds. Okay, let's see if this holds. However, if you do want some other key levels for this project, let's go to the 4-hour. Let's pull out some volume and have a little quick peek for you here. So going over here, we got a point of control. Remember, I don't always highlight the point of control. For me, I like to do shelves. So within this volume structure here, let me pull it up nicely. Within this volume structure here, I will go to the entry to the shelf, which is here. And I'll go to this entry of the shelf here. I will go to this entry to the shelf right here, which matches actually quite perfectly with our support and resistance. So we get rid of the box where we are looking for the bounce. And you can see how these end up matching up quite nicely. So if you do fall in, you could be looking to come back into this area. Your last line of defense before falling down into that area is 1902. So you're going to get into the 1800s, 1830, 1800 as support. But your main one here is going to be holding 1948. Okay. And as you work your way upwards, you can definitely be looking at any of these levels here. Let's pull this across. Let's look at some support and resistance as well. Okay, so you know you got key levels of support and resistance here. So working your way back up on MKR, you're definitely looking for to get above this 2035 area, hold that, flip it to support, work your way up, flip this to support, right? So these levels, you want to see them push through and hold, okay? So hope that helps you be Team Crypto. That's how I would take a look at that. Just trying to help you guys out here. So when work token, thoughts on mini swap if USDC gets min swap. If USDC gets added to Cardano, it could push min up. I haven't looked at min swap before. Thanks for asking, Crypto Gamer. What's min swap? Do I have to go to crypto? So we'll go on min USDT tether. Okay. Taking a peek. Checking it twice. You're going to see if it's naughty or nice. So yeah, very fresh, right? Very fresh. But if you have done your research, things like this can pop off, right? Like I'm very much into like the blue chips and trying to for me, I'm very happy with a 5 to 10x on my money, right? I'm not looking necessarily for the 100x gains. However, they'd be lovely. Like I do have a couple of like not degenerate, but less than, blue chip coin plays. Miria, Beam, Render, Cass, okay? These are some of the ones that I look. I wouldn't even say they're degen. I'd say they're pretty good projects, new projects, injective, stuff like that. But stuff like this, it's very hard for me, to do any kind of TA. So so we're going to go over Caspa. Oof, Caspa I bought some Caspa yesterday. Ooh, we're getting that push back, okay? So Caspa, I announced that I bought another $4,000 worth of Caspa just down over here somewhere, 10:30, 10:03. Yeah, 10:03. I think I bought some Caspa. So I keep buying down at this level, guys. It hasn't served me wrong. Okay, it hasn't served me wrong. So why would I fight it, right? I think I shared the Caspa chart here. Bought more Caspa, right? So you can see here, we got a buy here, a sell here, buy here. Let's see if we can get a sell again, right? So that's how we roll. We're just trying to buy the lows, sell the highs. Sometimes instead of trading, we can just buy some on spot. You could do a little bit of a 3x leverage or whatever if that's your thing. But for me, I set it, I forget it, and then I check back as you guys make me do TA on it. I'll be like, oh, Caspa's back up here again. Let's take some money off the table, right? Oh, it's down here again. Let's add some, right? And by doing this, it's basically a hedge where I can constantly be making a little bit of money throughout the long-term time frame. It's like a swing trade, right? It's like a spot swing trade. So I saw a lot of you guys longing cast this morning before confirmation, though. So I want to give you guys a little bit of shit because I think you guys were jumping in too early. I'm sorry.
I was wrong. I'm sorry. It was all a mistake. I was wrong. I'm sorry. It was all a mistake.
And you expect me to believe you?
So I know you guys were degenning a little bit this morning. However, Lunar Beach is crypto in the chat. What's going on, LBC, man? God bless you. Hope you had a wonderful week. Man. You've been killing it. Guys, Lunar Beach is crypto is going to have a morning show. So we'll be looking forward to checking that out. Mr. LBC in the chat, friend of the channel. Hope you had a wonderful week, man. So yeah, Caspa, massive pump up, right? Wicking down, getting everybody scared, broke up this downwards trend line. We were saying this morning, okay? We gave the idea this morning. We gave the area where we're looking for the bounce. It came perfectly in the area, and it bounced, okay? So definitely keeping our eyes peeled for these alts, looking for the bounces. I mean, fear was in the markets, guys. Fear was in the markets. We were gonna die on Bitcoin today, right? We were about to go to zero, right? And then you get this massive massive pushback, getting people, oh, maybe we're not go to zero. Maybe we'll go to 100K again. Okay, so make sure to always check your emotions, leave them at the door, and come back with levels that have been respected in previous times. Give yourself the confluence and the confidence to take these trades, right? Because right now, CAS is up 10%, man. That's a big boat of money if you're using good risk management and you're paying yourselves, right? You're paying yourselves. So, Caspa, great trade setup given this morning. Can you look at Toshi for DGen? Toshi for DGen. Is that on Polo Nix? Which one would it be? On Uni? Bitmart? Is this the chart? Let me know in the chat. Put a one in the chat if this is your chart. I can do some TA on this, I guess so. Oh man. You guys always put me in challenge mode on this show. Thank you guys for always keeping me up to date with things like this. 100% gains. Absolutely bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. Okay, so point of control is holding up nice. Borat USDT. No, we do not have the USDT in the Kazakhstan. We use the pesos. Oh.
Stop being such a pussy. I'm sorry.
You're bouncing off the point of control here. You've had a nice move up. Another higher high. Is this a higher high? Double top. Okay. Okay. Value area high has been touched. Cooling off a little bit. Consolidating sideways. My friend, not a lot of information here on Toshi Nakamoto. Satoshi or Satoshi. What did Diamond call Satoshi? Did he call him Satoshi or Satoshi or Satsuma? Oh man. Calm down, the pussycat. But one day, Cousin Bilo, he break out of his cage and he get this great success. My sister, she's the #1 prostitute all Kazakhstan. Oh man. Okay. Gary, not a security. So for me with this one, it's a hard pass. However, if you are looking to DCA, I guess you'd be looking at around this level here and under. Can you go over ETH short term quickly before you go? Yes. Creighton C in the chat, $20 super chat. My guy, I like you. Creighton C, man. Thank you so much for dropping by, man. Did someone say POC? Big love, Alex. Keep up the good work. I usually only have time to watch you later, but I always do. And always hit the like. Smash it, guys. I'll catch the rest later. Have a great weekend. Creighton C, man. God bless you, brother. Thank you for coming through. You give so much to this, to all of us creators. I see you all around, and thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for being you, for helping out. It goes.
No, thank you.
It goes a long way, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Thanks for the tip. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Don't you understand?
I appreciate you. Shout out to Creighton C in the chat, coming through, best in the Otter Gang. Givers game, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. the man, the myth, the legend, pray yon see, says Mike, Retro Mike Tech with the $5 super chat.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Push me and then just touch
Thank you.
me.
Thank you. 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 Thank you.
Thank you so much. Is my camera broken again? Oh my God. Hello? My camera's broken again. Did it just go? Oh my God. Can we fix this? Like, what's going on? Settings. I got my laptop camera. No, that's not going to work. What is going on? The camera. Sources. Video capture device. Why isn't it working? It's just gone. It's just gone. Why does this keep happening? This is... Let me pull the cable. Let me replug it in, right? Replug it in. I'm pulling the cord. Oh my God. Ah! Get down. Did I do it? Did I do it? Did I fix it? I'm huge. There's two of me. I look like King Kong. Goo. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to get rid of one. I'm getting rid of one. Oh my God, it's glitching. Oh my God, it's glitching. Okay. Hopefully. Don't move too fast. Don't move too fast. We might have to get a new camera. Okay. Oh man. Oh man. Retro Mike, thank you so much for the super chat, my friend. We're quickly going to go over Ethereum before we leave. I just came out of the Matrix, man. So with Ethereum, I'm looking for the pump, man. Ethereum's gotten the retest of the previous highs. I'm looking for this pump. I'm so biased on Ethereum. I bought like 50,000 Canadian of Ethereum down at 22K here. I want this thing to rip to the absolute stratosphere and put Solana in its place, okay? That's how I feel. However, we don't trade emotions, okay? We don't want to trade emotions. We got this downwards trend line, okay? This is what's going to make or break Ethereum in my opinion, okay? My opinion. Above 2K. Let's go. So we got some key levels. Look at how well these work, okay? Massive support, massive resistance, okay? So we got our key levels. We're prepared for these key levels. We got the fake out to the downside, the bullish momentum to the upside. We need to break through this trend line, okay? We need to break through it. We are right there. We are very close. We are almost, you could almost say that we're through it. We could even make this thinner to make it even, you know, they don't really like it thick. We like girthy green candles, but with this, we want to see a confirmed close above here where Ethereum has now started a bullish momentum to the upside. Now, what would be the best would be for us to get above 25.10. Okay, let's get above 25.10, flip that to support, and carry on our merry way to the upside. Now, it's so fucked up. Guys, my camera, I don't know. Elgato face cam. No more. Sense some hardware choices in your Discord. Uh-oh. Thank you, Schaefer, for always being my tech guy. I appreciate you. So, with Ethereum, you got to get it above 25.10. You want to see this downtrend line broken. You want to see this hold, okay? 24.30, okay? 24.30-ish area. We want to see that hold. If that fails to hold, you're coming back down here into the dreaded 23.50 or 23.60 area, which we've been consolidating. Tons of volume here. I don't think we're going below here. Maybe ever again, okay? Which is around 22,031. But right now, let's see if it holds at 24.20 and get above 25.10, okay? That's going to be your key levels for Ethereum. We're looking for that breakout. If you are looking to trade it in the short-term time frame, you want to wait for the confirmation out of this downtrend where you're making a higher high, right? So you've broken this structure here, okay? Clean break, broken here. So you're looking for this to come back down, retest, and break out, right? So you're looking for the retest right now. And that's where you're looking to trade Ethereum. Okay? So, you guys have been too much fun today. I gotta add a screen audio to this here so you guys can hear the Arnold Schwarzenegger soundboard. But we'll do that. We'll try to fix our camera. It's kind of working. So we'll just stick with that, and then we'll play around with it. But thank you guys for supporting this channel, coming through, being so kind to me. Join us in the free Discord. Everything is free. We love you guys. All of you guys. Tony Soprano, Philip, Jonathan Schaefer, Retro Mike, Lunar Beaches Crypto, Post, Moonboy. All you guys, man. Mark Dutch, L. Jones, 12 Big Dow, man. Jeet Corp. B-Team Crypto. If I missed you, come next time and say you missed me, and I'll get to you, okay? Much love to all you guys. Let's dance our way into the weekend. Make sure to have your evening/weekend, and I'll see you guys soon. All right? Peace out.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto.